Okay, this is number 2. I went ahead and put everything back together. Sorry, you can see the lens. What I did was I sealed all the way in here and all the way down here. And there's a rubber mat in the back that I found out that the nuts on this light weren't tight. They were on there, but maybe not tight from the factory. So I looked at this one, tightened the bolts on it. So then I went ahead and I put the liner and everything back together. This snaps back in. Everything looks good. And I will let you know tomorrow when this thing, if it works or not. Hopefully it will. I mean, I don't know what else to do. I've had to change this with a light bulb. This car, it tells you everything that's wrong with it. You have a low tire, you have a backup third eye light that's not on, a tail light that's not on. It comes up on the dash and tells you which one it is and what to do. And I'll tell you the truth, changing these things are a real pain in the butt. Right here is a little double jointed thing that pops in, but you have to beat it to get it out. And once you do, of course, it breaks, and then you have to go to the dealership and pay like $3-4 for each one. It's held in with two bolts here, 2 number 10s, and basically once you change it, it's easy because it comes out with no problem. And with the number 10s, even without that stabilizer in it, it can't go anywhere. So basically that's it. Something that took a little bit of time, and I've been wanting to do this for quite some time, but with the rain and everything the way it's going, it's been hard. Well, I'm going to conclude this with, I'm going to show you a heck of a sunset. Yep, all really pretty clouds. Okay, guys, Wiley again. If you like, click on it, subscribe to me, my channel, 2650 at Wiley Coyote. Let me know, comment. Tell me if I'm doing something right, if I'm doing something wrong. I want to know. So, okay, we talk to you later. Bye.